doesn't feel very much like the holidays, though. We've got really warm weather out there. Temperatures right now in the 50s and 60s, and we're talking about the potential of some severe storms developing today and possibly even into tomorrow as well. We've got a couple rounds of some steadier rain heading our way. One thing I want to keep in mind with any potential strong to severe storm, we do have the threat of some damaging winds, heavy rain, and even some rotation, something we'll be watching. But while we'll have some pockets of heavy rain through the morning, we've got another round tonight into tomorrow. That's where we could see some localized flooding. We're talking 1 to 3 inches of rain. And once that rain clears, high winds develop. We're talking gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour out of the west. That will help clear things out late Saturday and also bring much cooler weather too. So a nicer Sunday in store. We just need to get through the next couple of days. So I mentioned the 50s and 60s out there, noticing some pockets of showers pushing off of the coast right now. Cooler to the north where we've got this weather boundary draped through the region. Winds are going to pick up out of the south and help push that weather boundary to the north. That's also going to create some shear, and that's why we're watching for potential rotation with any storms that develop for the day today. But I am anticipating to see pockets of showers as you go hour by hour through the morning. But look at these temperatures, well into the 60s with those winds out of the south. So a very mild day, and getting into the midday. Again, watching for the potential of a storm, but we'll get into a lull too. So there will be some drier times, just a lot of clouds around. And yes, there is the potential to see close to 70 degrees today. As we go through the day, I wanted to time out the risk of that rain because I am expecting a pocket of some showers through the midday or mid-morning hours. And by the evening, noticing just a few showers out there, but it really picks back up tonight. So if you have evening night plans, looking okay, but if you're staying out past midnight, get ready for the really heavy wet rain. Morning sports tomorrow doesn't look good. We're talking downpours and strong winds out of the south. And by the afternoon, it will still be unsettled. We'll have the risk of a scattered shower, but the heaviest rain should be off of the coast. In fact, we're looking at clearing and some improvement late day, but you'll really notice a drop in temperatures. And while we might not have the rain, we'll have the wind. So projected gusts 20 to 35 for the day today. And then as we go through the overnight hours, winds could gust as high as 40 and even into 50 and 60 miles per hour, creating some damage because we still have some leaves on the trees out there. One thing I wanted to point out, that 64 high for tomorrow, likely dropping through the day. It will be bright, quiet, and cool for your Sunday. Looking fantastic for the Patriots game. But don't forget, sunset is at 4:34. So cool and dry, and by kickoff, we're talking a temperature close to 41, dropping into the 30s by the fourth quarter. As we get into next week, stays pretty unsettled as well. Temperatures rebound back into the 60s, but we'll be tracking more rain chances.